Hey everybody, you're going to have to excuse the wind noise, the machine noise from the property across the road, and my messy hair because I have something really strange to show you. Hang on, let's go on into the garden. So the other day I was coming into the garden to get a cucumber, and the cucumber is already way huge. But anyway, over there I was getting a cucumber, and I thought I'd take a look and see what was going on with my original asparagus patch, because the cool spring season is over where I get the biggest harvest, but I have had one come up every once in a while, and I have kind of blown off harvesting them. But I thought, well, maybe if there's a couple little ones, I'll harvest them. I can put them raw in the salad or whatever. So I was scanning the asparagus bed, and I was scanning it, and I was scanning it, and I saw something really weird. Do you see it? The sun is shining, so it's really hard for me to see the camera screen. Do you see it? Do you see it? Now the other day, it was only this big. It was only this tall. But yes, look, ladies and gentlemen. If I can get the fronds of this one gone to seed out of the way. There we go. This is indeed an asparagus. It's like 5 or 6 little stalks fused together and grew. It's about 2.5 inches wide. And then there is there's the edge. That's how narrow it is. Isn't that weird? And you see it's starting to go to... this frond is in my way, sorry. It's starting to go to seed, so I got to harvest it if we're going to eat it. Let's see where it breaks off. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I'm going to cook that for our salad tonight. Isn't that crazy? That is the weirdest vegetable I have ever grown. I've seen pictures of weirder vegetables, but that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most... I've never seen a picture of an asparagus like this. Is that not crazy? Let me smell it. Let me see it to them. I can't smell it. Anyway, say bye-bye to this weird asparagus, because I'm going to cook it. I'm going to cut it up and cook it tonight. Thanks for watching. You never know what you're going to get when you embark on your gardening journey.